Oh, soldier crabs. They got soldier crabs out here. Let's go. Tons of little ones. You've never seen them, guys? These are soldier crabs. He's a little too shy to play right now, I guess. Shit, we could walk across this bitch. He wasn't dead. They just play dead when you grab them. Hope I don't fall into a pit of fucking quicksand. There's a crab right there. Bunch of little fish. I didn't bring my net. I'm just exploring today. Ah, this is deep. Still got waders on, so fuck it, and I can see the bottom of the water. It's above my knees and I'm still dry. These waders are lit. Ah, it's so weird to walk in this, bro. Feels like I got balloons in my on my legs. They're like floating. It's easy to step. Are we still Q? Exclamation point bit rape. Oh shit, that's sinking in there. I don't know how much. God, this looks deep, dude. Holy fuck, this is stupid. I need to find a path. I think where we want to go is right there. I gotta go back a little bit, mates. Shit. Come on. Oh, that's what hurts my head. Ow, that's my head. Guess we should start making our path, eh? Still got service in here? Snakes, please. God, fucking big ass spider webs, bro. Oh, Lulu, I'm sorry. I had nothing to do with it. Can't you see him in the bush right now, babe? Sorry. Deal with it. You're okay. Nobody physically harmed you. You couldn't type for 5 minutes. Sorry. This thing fucking goes forever, dude. How fucking far am I supposed to go? Sweat my balls. Why go this far? Because I think there's a creek up here. I just want to see if there's a path to it. Or at least be able to... Oh, I didn't swing hard enough. Or at least be able to make a path to it. So we can come back here with a crab pot. I shouldn't do that. I'm only going to dull the blade when I swing it like that. Am I breathing hard? I'm wearing a backpack. I'm in Australia, mate. Sweating my balls off. I'm wearing waders. I'm super hot. And I'm moving around. Does that make sense? Plus, I'm on the lookout for snakes. It's like 4 or 5 different species just in this that can be in this area that can all kill me. Whoa. Plus the fucking spiders. I've already been in the hospital once for a spider. Alright, I'm not seeing this inlet, man. Yeah. Fuck walking through that. There's no inlet. Fail. Mission failed. I mean, mission accomplished, but hope failed. Bugs crawling all over me. Like at the bank on the other side. Yeah, there's probably a spot. Well, I'm thinking maybe, you know, that spot where I was walking in the water where it's so shallow, I could walk across there and then go down that side, maybe. I don't know. That's enough exploring for me, though. Why not? Let's fucking, I gotta pee. I'm gonna pee my pants. No snakes, bro. I'm gonna piss my pants. Yeah, guys, we got... Oh, my skin's on fire. I think I got bit by a snake. I don't even know it. What's that kind of snake that people say they get bit by? And I'm like, I didn't even... It feels like I got scratched. And they die.